Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about tabular.email. So guys, this is a website which help you to create professional email and its design for mobile phones. So guys, you can get started on this website to create the professional email you want to send to anybody, and you guys can also doesn't require any coding skills, and you can just use the templates and type your own stuff. And after that you guys can also use it, and after that guys you guys can also use it another email sending platforms like SendGrid, Mailgun, Klaviyo, SendPulse, and etc. So guys, that's how you can use tabular.email to use in your own advantages. You can sign up for free, or you can also choose their subscription model, which is $12 per month per editor. So that's how you can use tabular.email for your professional email purposes. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you guys share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.